Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, today I want to talk about bathrooms with pre-existing plumbing from the builder. This particular basement we're starting today has got two bathrooms going in. Both of them have pre-existing drain lines for the toilet and the shower, and they also have vent lines all underneath the concrete floor. This is a brand new house. But when I designed the basement, things got moved around and the existing plumbing is just not going to work. Now, we're not going to be moving it from one side of the basement to the other, but we are going to be moving things a foot or two in each direction here. So if you have existing plumbing from the builder and you're planning on putting a bathroom in the vicinity of the pipes, chances are, almost 9 times out of 10, it's not going to work out. So let's take a look at the plumbing that we have in the floor here, and we'll show you where we've located our fixture locations for this project in both bathrooms and where we're going to have to move this existing plumbing. They do have their own sewage ejector, which you can see down on the floor here. Sewage ejector is the pit that has the pump in it, the grinder pump, that will take the sewage water from your bathroom and flush it up into the home's existing plumbing system. So these are already in the floor from the builder. We've got one here that we're putting in a closet here in this corner. And here's one of our bathrooms right here. And the toilet was really close. As you can see right here, we're going to be jacking the center of our floor right here for our toilet. All right, you can see where they have it right here. We're really close. We're like 6 inches away from where we really need to be. So we'll have to open up the floor here and move this 3-inch pipe to that location. That'll be the exact center. So not too bad for the toilet. This is the vent line, 2-inch vent line that the builder had put in to vent the bathroom. Unfortunately, this is our wall line, and our wall's sitting on this side of that red line, so this 2-inch pipe's coming right up out of the floor beside our toilet in our bathroom, so that's not going to work. So what we're going to do is we're going to jack the floor open a little bit right here and get it behind the wall line and reconnect it. So we're looking at about, I don't know, again, about another 6 to 8 inches. We're going to move that 2-inch vent line back. And then over here, we have what would be our shower drain. All right, and that's missing the mark by about, I don't know, almost 3 feet. Here's our shower right here. This is the center of our shower pan right here. And that's about 3 feet away. So we're going to have to jack from here 3 feet over and reinstall this 2-inch shower drain line in that location. So that's the furthest we got to go in this bathroom, is the 3 feet on the 2-inch shower drain. That's better than starting from scratch. You know, if you've got pre-existing plumbing, you should always try to utilize it underneath the floor and tap back into it. That way you don't have to completely reinstall all the toilet drain line, vent line, and shower drain lines completely, you know, because the sewage ejector is over there in that corner, and that's about 20 feet away, and it's all connected from the builder underneath this concrete floor before they pour the floor. So we're saving ourselves a ton of work by utilizing the existing plumbing drain lines, even though they're in the wrong location, but by only having to move them a couple feet or a couple inches left or right, we're saving ourselves a great deal of time. Now let's go down and take a look at this other bathroom. Okay, and right up here underneath the staircase here, we've got the other sewage ejector pit, again put in by the builder. All right, that's all connected over here into this bathroom plumbing, which again is in the wrong locations, but they're close. Here we've got our shower drain for our 5-foot shower in the wrong spot. Our drain's actually going to be right over here. And we're looking at about, I don't know, again, about 3 feet from here over to this location here to move our shower drain. But remember now, that shower drain is already connected under the floor all the way over there to that sewage ejector. So we're saving all that work and having to redig that pit by just moving that shower drain over here about 3 feet. For our toilet, and you can see I have the toilet drawn there on the floor. I don't know how well you can pick that up, but there's the center of the drain for the new toilet location, and here's our toilet location from the builder. So we're looking about a foot over here on the 3-inch line. And again, the vent line is coming up out of the floor in the bathroom. Unfortunately, our wall is going to be sitting on this side of the red line, so this is going to have to be moved over here about 6-7 inches. But that'll be a lot less work and a lot less jacking of the concrete to move those drain lines just those couple of inches or just a few feet in the case of the showers. That way we don't have to mess with the integrity of the sewage ejector that's already nicely done here and already under the floor connected to all those drain points. We just got to jockey them around a couple inches, feet, left, right, and put it all back together then with a little bit of concrete work. But you know, I get a lot of emails from you guys. I get a lot of questions about pre-existing plumbing from the builder and it being in the wrong location. And what should I do? Can I use it? Do I have to start over again? And the answer is you don't have to start over. You just got to get your, well, we use a floor buster, an electric jackhammer. We jack it open a little bit and move those pipes under the floor, keeping everything, you know, still interconnected under the floor with the sewage ejector in place, and thereby saving ourselves hours of time and a ton of labor, you know, having to start over again, which you don't have to do. So hope that video gives you just a little bit of insight. If you've got pre-existing plumbing, drain lines in your basement, and you're confused about the location of them, can you move them? Now you know you can. So once again, guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the Basement Finishing Man YouTube channel, please do. We got a lot more good basement videos coming your way. And don't forget to tick that like button. It really helps out our channel. And I'll see you in the next video.